Hello guys, this is how to fix the Wi-Fi icon not showing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So without wasting any more time, let us jump straight into the video. So what we're gonna go ahead and do first is on the Windows icon, we're gonna right click on that. Then we're gonna look for System. Then we're gonna go ahead and click on System. So once you get onto that page, go ahead and click anywhere, Bluetooth, and then click on System again. Once you get on System, you're going to go ahead and click on Troubleshoot. So you're going to scroll down and look for Troubleshoot and then click on that. And then you're going to go ahead and click on Other Troubleshooters. And then you're going to click on Network and Internet. So you're going to go ahead and run that troubleshoot. So you go ahead and click on Run. And then once you run that, it should give you options. It should run a diagnostic on your computer, and then it should give you the reasons as to why the Wi-Fi icon is not showing. But because mine is A-OK, it shows up like that. Then you're going to go ahead and follow all those instructions there. If that doesn't work, you're going to go ahead and click on Network and Internet. Then you're going to open up the Wi-Fi, and then you're going to enable and disable Wi-Fi. Go ahead and disable that, and then wait a couple of seconds, and then you can go ahead and enable that again. That should fix the problem. Then there's another way of doing this. What you can go ahead and do is you can go ahead and click on the Windows key. Click on the Windows key plus the R key, and then you're gonna go ahead and type in ncpa.cpl right there. Let's go ahead and just type that in, ncpa.cpl, and then that should open up the control panel right there. Let's just make the screen bigger. Then you're gonna right click on that. Then you're gonna go ahead and disable that straight from the task manager, from the control center. And then once it has been disabled, you're gonna wait a little bit, and then you're gonna go ahead and enable it. And it is that quick and it is that easy to fix the Wi-Fi icon not showing or Wi-Fi not working on your Windows 11 and your Windows 10. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.